Welcome back to Tawula TV, son of Prof. Prof.
Yes, man.
Okay. I wanted us to talk now Lentole because I've been doing Lentole for a long time, but sometimes in Shalangi, this something is wrong. Tolumuntu azagimi at April KB, funa Lentole so and so. I just want nje into encane hayi into enkulu ukuthi ngikhuphuke or mhlambe ngivule ibusiness yami or ibusiness yami ihambe lo muntu ahambe bamshaya ngenhlanga e2 3 but lento le imove so fast and so strong ithi ayikho lento le akusinhlanga but hayi umuthi nje akunalutho ngapha I feel like no, it's not possible thola omunye umuntu athi no Tate something for 50,000, buy a whoop, buy a zibeni, buy a wood, put through nothing happened. And then I get confused, and then you get people about me, I'm full UKUTWALA, but I want something very strong. And then I always think, okay, fine, if I'm full UKUTWALA and then you want something very strong, how big is your business? No, around 5 million turnover. And I'm like, yeah, we told it 5 million, it's taller 7. So I end up now I'm being confused when somebody comes back. And of course, in young as young nation, guys, don't think we think taller young information. Sometimes why so I just want you to now explain, let's start this thing from the basics. Kuyini ukuthwala? Yini masithi uthwalile? That's what needs to happen. Like what we need to see. Masithi lo muntu uthwele. Does it have to be isigubho siphethe? Does it have to be ipondo liphethe? Or ungathwala nje without anything esibonayo thina physically or whatever? Just explain. And UKUTWALA in terms of price range. Can I say twirling into 200 rand? Can I say twirling pet into 5,000? Just please explain ukuthi kuyini UKUTWALA, what are we talking about?
Brakb ngiyabonga nginibingelele futhi. Bathandi betawula nababalandeli beTsogo TV. Ithini nginitshele nako. UKUTWALA masithi umuntu uthwele. Sisuka sikhuluma ngento ukuthi isithwalo nale bhodlelo yalibona nje linamaswiri isithwalo ngoba ngiyaphuza kuyini kuyisithwalo yonke into oyidlayo ini isithwalo but asithi ngithatha le bhodlela leli ngifaka izinto ezijulile brakb and then ngithi mina le bhodlela leli ngifuna ukuliphu KB and KB ngifuna abe rich ngalo nge2 minutes but ukuthi uKB abe rich kufuna kufe umkakhe okufuna kufe umntwanakhe okufuna kufe umamakhe ngicela ukuthi uyolanda la inhliziyo ikhona before unika KB ma million uyangizwa ithi ngiyakuzwa ihambize kuwe brakb ngusebenze bese ngithatha okuthile kuwe uyangizwisisa okuyinsila yakho maybe ngifake ngaphakathi mangabe nibona ukuthi imali senimnikile miyenzeni uKB abe rich for 5 years after lapho nimthathe uma sekancaba ngomndeni wakhe nimchaye phansi that is isithwalo abantu abathwele ubabona ngani umbona ngokuthi umuntu umcela imali angafuni ukukunika but nemali eningi ngathi no ngizoyenza cash send why ngakuphi imali ngesandla usaba lento leya noma ama team and condition anawo ngesithwalo masikhuluma ngesithwalo sikhuluma ngezinto ezijulile ezibulalayo ekhaya lezi zinto lezo isithwalo esinzima umbona ngani umuntu futhi othwele angaba nabo abantwana but uzolokuhlephuleka umntwana ngale kuhlephuke kumzala ngale kuhlephele kumalume isithwalo leso abantu abakudala bawubabona ngokuthi uma aqeda ukufa isitolo lesabo sokuzosala ukuthi lapha bekuka bani ngalesa sikhathi yo la le ndawo le beyishisa but since ashona konke kushabalele yini lokho isithwalo esinobungozi ebokuthi no mina ngifuna ukuthi ngithwale mara ngithwale ngento ukuthi ngifuna imali fast then mangithola le mali fast kwafa abantu ekhaya and then mangilo ngidla le mali enjoy ukuthi ngihamba ngamalimbo kino ngihamba ngani mase siguquka isithwalo siguquka sikushaye ufe wena. Isithwalo brakb kunabantu abathwele abana peace because ebusuku kumele bahlangabezane nalenyoka, kumele bahlangabezane nalomuntu obanikeza imali lento omunye kumele alale nalento. Isithwalo ushada emkhathini nento ekunika imali, awumani usukuthwale nje. Uyangunderstand? Ukugaba kwakagaba saze sathi hayi kumele sikugabe, kunenkinga lapho. Isithwalo lento le ngoba ukufaka irazor nje 1 2 isithwalo. So ngiyideke sometimes umuntu athi hayi mina ngiyasaba ukuthwala ngamani umgabe kuphela. Ngithi awuyasaba isithwala athi
yeah no.
So namhla ngithi ngiphumele swabala ngitshela abantu ukuthi ukuthwala kukaningi akusiyinto ukuthi maybe kufa abantu ekhaya kuphela. Even kugeza mangicela ukugeza ngathi ebrakb uthi hey ngithanze kusihemo kusihemo mlomo ngura hawuwa batho isithwalo leso ngoba uthwalele labantu ukuthi bazwe ngawo.
So bazobuza ke abantu bathi how but uProf uthi uhlophe akanangozi akanabungozi uhlophe isithwalo esiclean kanjani manje uthi lento le ingabulala abantwana. I'm confident they're going to call me.
Yes.
I know this.
Yes.
So how do you clarify that? In terms of ama categories, ingabe kunama categories khona ezibulalayo khona ezingabulala or zonke ziyabulala kuya ngokuthi wena ezinyanga usithema kanjani?
Yes. Isithwalo brakb kunesabungozi and then lesabungozi sisibekele side and then kunasokuphila sihambe nedlozi lakho sigaba ngisho masukenzela uhlophe nani ezinye kunegroup ezokuthi brakb ngithi mina kuwe mawuyindoda mawumfazi uzimele buya kunani 1 1 2 3 4 ozofika ungene la ekhaya ulale ungene kwenye indlu uvuke ekseni uthatha amandla akho lokho yini is a danger one.
So manje the question is if ngithathe uhlophe right, how safe am I?
Lapho ngifungela 100% ekhaya ezweni ngoba asizanga safaka ingazi lembuzi, asifakanga igazi lani lemvu, asifakanga igazi lenkomo, asifakanga igazi even nalenkukhu. Sivele sakha sahlanganisa wena nalomuthi wahlophe ukuthi hlophe akawuphushe le ndoda ikwazi ukuthi mayingene ebantwini kubonakale gogo hlophe ake ulwe nezitha ezizama ukudiliza lo muntu. Isithwalo sibaleke ngendlela eqakayo. So that's why ngithi mina why umuntu asabukuthwala ngoba noma uthatha uhlophe ukugaba kokugaba ukuthwala mangizophuma nawe ngithi manje siye emanzini enzunzwini uyothwala ngamanzi.
Okay. No, okay. So, kahle, anything that is going to be put on my body or to assist me ukuthi ngiphumelele, it's in a way
isithwalo.
Ngoba on my own there was no way I could have succeeded.
Yes, I was bengakuphumelele. But sithema sithi sibuka impumelelo lakho, kwathiwa impumelelo lakhe lo ile emanzini la kunenzunzu khona. Uthwele wena netawazi, ufike wangena la kule nzunzu yathwala lo mthwalo wakho. Inzunzu wena yakunikeza inhlanhla lakho bheki. Ukuthwala. So siyekela abantu ngithandazela amani ngwafake ku 20 liter ngithi the holy water ukuthwala waphuza la amanzi akuphilisa.
Okay, but why do you think, and this is something and this is angifuna ukukhuluma nge-religion because nangazi ukuthi ngizani. So in short masingakhuluma iqiniso le nkonzo lezi ezingasifuni emanzini ezingasifuni esihlahleni sho ukuthi abafuni ukuthi sithwale. It means ukuthi they are hiding something.
Yeah,
ukuthi singaphumeleli.
Ngingaphumeleli kahle ngani ngoba uyazi ukuthi yena uye le manzini wathatha amandla. So ukanga ukuthi nama uyokufaka lapha emanzini esesilenje izobanga above me. So no, I don't want that. Ngono bazalwane manzi abulala, don't go there.
Okay, yeah.
That's a secret.
Don't play with water. All right. No, ngiyakuzwa mkhulu wami. All right. This topic is very broad. There's no way mina no Prof gonna cover in one day, in one sitting. And then there are other things that obviously Prof didn't explain. But this is where ends up part 2 because I've got questions for part 2. So this is Kuyini UKUTHWALA part 1. Masithathe kanjani.
Yes.
Prof will be back for part 2.
Ngiyabonga, Prof.